Afternoon, everyone. So I just cleanse my face and nagtoner na din ako. So we will use my favorite Age Lock Boost kasi pantanggal po siya ng melasma and discoloration. So we just do this quick. This is just 2 minutes. Very quick kasi i-charge ko pa tong gadget ko. So just swipe this up. So it will tutunog siya ng ganyan. Then pump 3 pumps lang po. Then apply. Sa half lang po ng face muna tayo. Hatiin natin. Then swipe this up again to activate treatment. Ganun lang po siya. Naririnig nyo, meron po siyang sound. Gab. May maingay sa background ko. So this one, mabilis po siya. Kung discoloration po yung problems nyo, pag pimple marks mabilis, 1 to 2 weeks mawawala na po yung mga pimple marks or scars. Pero if you have deep discoloration na like melasma that has been deeply seated na sa ilalim ng skin nyo, you have to do this religiously for 4 months. Kasi hindi po ito nagmamagic. It can give you result after 2 minutes. Yung lalambot yung skin nyo, mayroong yung naglilift ng saging skin. Yes, mas mabilis po yung ma-observe. Pero pag mga dark, yung mga nangingitim na talaga, mga sunog na skin, kailangan po yun ng religious application. Every day. So, imagine 120 days. So, naglagay na tayo sa kabila. So, we have to activate again the treatment. I forgot. This is low bat pala. Kinuha ko lang to. Pag ganito na maririnig nyo, kasi nasa 3 bars na siya kanina, kailangan siya i-full. Tinabad akong hindi ko siya nantay. Gusto ko lang malagay na kasi gusto ko lang mag-apply ng cream. So, pag ganito, yung problem, don't worry, you just have to charge it. So, dapat, pag fully charge, anyway, ako, nag-charge ako mga after a month pa, ang tagal bago malobat ng device. So, since lowbat po siya, kailan ko siyang kahit anong swipe ko pataas, ganun lang siya ng ganun, ibig sabihin, i-charge nyo po ang device. So, ang gagawin natin sa other half is, just spread it evenly. Kasi antayin natin. Then medyo matagal to mag-charge. Siguro abot ng yun natin 4 hours. Pag initial charge, you have to do it 8 hours. Pero pag hindi naman naaabot ng ganun. So, hindi na natin siya matapos na full treatment kasi nga low bat siya. So, at least na alam nyo pag ganun, you just have to charge it. So, dapat, pag maayos yung battery niya, isang swipe, mag-same treatment na ginagawa natin sa kanan, tutunog lang po siya yung normal na nag-vibrate. Hindi yung brum, 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 parang motor na aandar. So, that's all. After this, we just have to apply, I have the moisturizer. So, I use the I use this one. So, I apply dalawa. Nutri-Essentials Dual Day and the Daydream. So, i-apply na natin since hindi ko na matapos yung treatment ko. Kailangan ko talaga siya i-charge kasi nakalimutan ko siya i-charge kagabi after more than a month since last ko siyang na-charge. Mas matagal po siyang malobat kaysa lumis pa. Lumis pa, mga 3 weeks. Ganun matagal din. Include your neck area. Tapos, always paakyat. Hydrate niyo po yung skin ngayon kasi it's summer. mabilis mong mag-dry sa init. Then you drink a lot of water. Water intake po talaga. And last, since it's mainit, apply this one. This is the sunscreen. Hindi naman ako magpapaaraw, but it will protect me from the UV, the radiation coming from the blue light coming from the cell phone, from the light, lamp, mga ganun. I'm facing cell phone palagi because of the business, so you have to protect our skin from that. So that's the last part. But if I have something like Zoom meeting, kung klarong-klaro yung discolor or kung lalabas ako, I apply the BB Plus. Pero kahit wala, okay lang naman kasi wala masyadong difference yung skin ko with the BB Plus or ano, kasi nga yung skin natin is alaga na siya ng age lock devices. So you don't need much makeup. Yun ang kagandahan pag alaga ng new skin yung balat mo. Hindi mo kailangan masyadong makeup. You just have to cover it. You just have to be confidently beautiful with your skin. So that's all, everyone. Thank you for watching.